Hello, and welcome to Sequoia National Park in the beautiful Sierra Nevada mountains of California. My name is Andrew Kornfeld, and I am the founder of Systema Health. I cannot think of a better place for us to be among these beautiful, ancient, interwoven, interconnected, and robust organisms to tell you about how our company works, what we stand for, what we do, and how we are going to revolutionize health and healthcare around the world. This beautiful sequoia tree that I have my hand on right now is likely over 1,000, maybe over 2,000 years old, and it has been through a lot of human history. It has a wisdom that we try at Systema to instill in you. When you join Systema, you will learn everything about your chronic health condition. You're going to learn the biological mechanisms. You're going to learn about the latest research. You're going to learn about diet, nutrition, supplements and herbs. You're going to learn about medications and interventions. You're going to learn about how to navigate mainstream and integrative healthcare systems. And you're not going to do it alone. You're going to be together with other people, with the smartest, most courageous, most advanced community in the entire world. And like I said, I cannot think of a better place for us to be to tell you about Systema and what we're doing. One of the central tenets of Systema is in our name, systems, or systems thinking. Systems thinking is really the concept that the whole is greater than or entirely different than the sum of its parts. And the same thing can be said about these incredible organisms. All of these roots are interconnected with one another and they stabilize. There is literally a mushroom mycelium network that is below all of these trees here. And when one tree is not getting enough specific nutrients or sunlight or another factor from the soil or from their environment, the other trees sense it and they literally send those nutrients through the mycelium fungal network to one another. And I cannot think of a more beautiful metaphor for systems thinking and for how we are interconnected and how we all support each other at Systema. Fire is an awful, devastating force, a powerful force, but it's actually a vital and important force for the health of this entire ecosystem. And that is because these seed pods right here sometimes will sit up top of these trees for decades and wait for fire in order for these little seeds to come out and for these trees to be able to reproduce and flourish. And I want to make the metaphor that this is also true for adverse health events that we face, such as disease, such as stressors on us. And these things are opportunities for us to sense our environment, to learn about what interventions are working for us to be able to actually live longer and healthier than we would otherwise. That's why adverse health events are actually important for you and for you to be able to respond to those events just like this tree responds to fire.